For today's project, I wanted to repurpose an old alcohol bottle. In addition to the bottle, I used candy corn, a witch's hat headband, my glue gun, and a label that I made in Photoshop. I removed the old label and used glue gun to remove any residue. Add the new label to the front. I added a bag and a half of candy corn and added the top back on. I opened the seam of the hat, removed the headband, and sealed the seam back. Using your glue gun, add a generous amount of glue to the top and attach the hat. This simple craft can be placed on your mantle or used as a centerpiece in your Halloween decor at work. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.